16 pounds, Johnny Bonsai, and the Flying Lion, Joe Firoz.
There we go. Yes. Are you guys excited for this? What's going on? Yeah.
And their opponents. Hailing from Detroit, Michigan, at a combined weight of 416 pounds, Mattson and Benjamin Boone.
How you doing? We're coming at Detroit, right here. Motor City, Detroit, baby. That's what we're talking about. Sons of Michigan. Amazing name, Mattson makes his Vanguard debut right here. I want to wait. You want to wait to get your hands on Joe? Yeah. Finish him up, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Which one has trick up your sleeve? You guys think no one's going to trick up your sleeve? You don't even know which one you're going to face first. Come on, man. One more.
That was by far the best match I've ever seen Joe Firoz have.
Let's hear it,
Joe
guys.
Firoz been the target of Pinder for some time now. And it's time for tag team contest, the Sons of Michigan.
Shuffle, man. I'm from Detroit. You better respect me. I'll wipe the mat with you. Hey, it took him 65 years. What do we think about Detroit in here? What do we think about Detroit? Ghetto. Yeah. What? No. Ghetto. Chicago's ghetto, pal.
Bring the ball. The Sons of Michigan, Nate Mattson and Benjamin Boone. Boone, who took out Joe Firoz, is a hired hand of Pinder the last time we saw him here. Firoz being joined by Johnny Bonsai, another man making his VWAA debut. Nate Mattson, a veteran of the Michigan independent scene, has wrestled some of the best in the world, and now
the
he has come
Midwest.
to
He's
VWAA.
been all over the Midwest doing his thing too. I've seen him. I saw him years ago, just killing in the tag scene, and now he's got Benjamin Boone. And I'm excited to see what they can do.
Certainly a nice spin around into a drop toe hold by Mattson.
Can you tell me, when did Joe Firoz get friends?
Joe Firoz, a friend of the fans. These people love him. They go nuts for him every time he comes out. He's got him in the palm of his hand right now. Being a little hard on him. George.
Well, I've known him since he started. Rookie Joe is what we called him. Baby Joe sometimes. And yeah, I don't remember him having friends. Oh, it's over. Nope.
Mattson almost putting away Bonsai, the schoolboy.
All right. You got this, Nate. I got this.
Nate Mattson is a veteran of the game. Like you said, he's beaten some of the best in the world. He's trained some of the best in the world, in fact.
That's the case as well. True pleasure to kind of see him up close and personal here in VWAA, and his partner, Ben Boone, one of the strongest men on the independent scene. Can be quite a lot for Firoz and Bonsai to overcome here. Mattson now, though, caught in a hammerlock.
Does Bonsai have the size on Mattson?
He might have the weight on him a little bit.
But not the power.
Could be the case. Still yet to see. Leaping drop toe hold. Unique maneuver by Bonsai.
Bonsai is outsmarted Nate Mattson. Amazing Nate. Spelled with an 8, by the way.
Yes. His name is not N8, which he let me know earlier, just in case I wasn't sure. Nate Mattson spins him around and goes that headlock and a nasty shot to the head. Looking to grab Bonsai here, draping his arm over the top rope.
Chops, that's just disrespectful.
And that's how you see
hilarious.
Another veteran maneuver there, using both hands on the chop, get twice the amount of area taken up there.
It's over again. Nope.
Bonsai with a folding press variation, almost had it. Tag to Joe Firoz.
Now, what is he going to do? Firoz, this is his return since Manifest Destiny 6, being, from what we can tell, was put out by Benjamin Boone with that big bear hug DDT. It was just disgusting to watch.
Yeah, that bear trap is in.
Though most of what Joe Firoz does is disgusting to me. So
It's a devastating maneuver.
You've been waiting for me to trap in your head again? Huh? You're going to remember what happened tonight. How's your head feeling, by the way, huh?
And Boone disrespectfully just pie-facing Joe Firoz. Firoz ducks the punch, and it's a series of his own using that quickness advantage. Ducks a big overhand right, shots to the ribs. Boone catches one, though. Spins him around, Firoz with a big forearm. Drop toe hold sends Boone face first into the second turnbuckle. Bonsai tagged back in.
Firoz does seem to have his wits about him now. I mean, he's definitely must have recovered from that head injury.
Certainly the case. It has been a good amount of time.
And he is looking for vengeance. Vengeance is the word.
Bonsai ringing the wrist, and Firoz now going up top. Doing a nice job of cutting the ring in half here.
Lion. What's lion about him? I mean, I understand, like, flying, he's up in the air. Big bulldog.
He's got orange and yellow gear, so he just came up with it after he bought it.
Did you see that?
Firoz trying to get the cover, grabbing at his head. Tagging out.
He was on top and he just got out after grabbing. Maybe he hasn't fully recovered.
Maybe we'll see.
Do you have his doctor's note?
By Boone. I do not. Can't say that falls under my jurisdiction here as the play-by-play guy.
What do you get paid for?
Talking. And now Nate Mattson tagged in. Big boot to the gut.
I thought you were like the file clerk. It's not you.
Only on weekdays. Mattson, big back elbow. And now a drop kick, catching him right on the point of the head when Bonsai was not expecting him.
Now Firoz wants in the fight suddenly. He knew the referee was going to stop him. I don't think Firoz has that lion's heart.
The Sons of Michigan have now effectively cut the ring in half.
I agree with Nate Mattson.
Look at this, huh? Go there.
Oh, look at him.
Cross faces right across the jaw of Johnny Bonsai. Boone picking him up now.
The big bear just takes control. He just
Dumps him
damages
to the
people.
outside. Only a very thin layer of padding on the floor. Mattson, what's he looking to do? Suplex on the floor.
Now Joe's, at this point, is just costing his partner.
The referee's got to get some sort of control.
The referee was keeping control, Mark. He was doing just fine. Joe Firoz was getting out of hand, and he kept him over.
There was a suplex on the floor, and he didn't see any of it.
Oh,
Wrist
he can make a
clutch.
tag.
Pump
Firoz
handle
sleeping
suplex.
at the. He fell asleep at the wheel there. That I'm decently positive that head injury is still floating around in there, throwing him off. He could have made that tag. You saw that.
Firoz has been fine the last couple of minutes outside of that.
Double team maneuver.
Leg
the
drop
Suns.
right across the back of the head. It's a good way to get knocked out, and Mattson rigging his boots across the eyes of Johnny Bonsai.
These guys were a great pickup by Dr. Pinder. Pinder just, the talent that he chooses is second to none in the world.
And we knew about Ben Boone from the past, but Nate Mattson, really great pickup, very savvy pickup by Pinder.
Did you see that? Just to add insult to injury, not only did they switch out, but they also tagged while the referee wasn't looking. For no reason. I mean, you know, they tag because it's legal. It's the right thing to do.
Just like a suplex on the floor, right?
I didn't see that. I saw the referee holding back
Gotta
Joe
be kidding me.
Firoz.
Bonsai got to get to his feet. The crowd here in Addison rallying behind him. Inching toward that corner, crawling, getting closer and closer, but Boone comes down with all of his weight across the back. That is a 229-pound man.
I think that we've got to move to Detroit because they seem like upstanding citizens. And these sons of Michigan they are.
One more.
Goes to another.
That's illegal.
Over.
That is illegal,
It was
Maxwell.
incidental.
He knew what he was doing. He's a friend of Joe Firoz.
He was just trying to get out of the way.
No, if he was getting out of the way, he would have gotten out of the way.
And Nate Mattson.
Nate cutting it off. Good job on Mattson.
Mattson came in.
Saved his partner.
No
the tag
business
again.
doing so.
That's tag team wrestling.
Both men make a wish.
Tearing his legs apart.
Bonsai, though, getting closer to that corner again. Mattson just toying with him. Bonsai sent into the buckles, and Boone tags in.
At this point, they're just playing with him.
He's being worn down. You almost wonder if they're even going for the victory at this point.
Boone is a monster of a man, and all that weight coming directly into your gut. Ugh.
Knock the air right out of your lungs, or at least what little is left in Johnny Bonsai. Underhooks.
Butterfly clip.
Big butterfly suplex. 1, 2, no!
A bit of a finesse move by
Johnny,
such a powerful man.
certainly very
impressed.
technically skilled as well. Bonsai has taken a lot of punishment to that back, too. Boone crashing down on it earlier and then throwing him with that butterfly suplex. Nate Mattson stomping away. Bonsai desperately needs to make a tag, and now his knees, the Garvin stomp by
He's
Mattson.
picking every body part apart. Lording it over Johnny Bonsai. The control that he has. Oh, Bonsai fighting back.
Very close to his corner as it is. Mattson goes to the eyes. Bonsai finally showing some signs of life for the first time in several minutes. And Mattson goes straight to the eyes.
Hey, he was evening the playing field. Bonsai was
What
striking him
way?
with closed fists. This ends terribly for Bonsai. Oh,
And they charge, nobody
out of
home.
the way.
Joe Firoz tags in. This could be
Firoz,
it.
House
Big
of
shot
Fire.
to Mattson. Shot to Boone. Knocks Mattson off his feet. Almost
He
takes
cannot
Boone
knock
down.
Boone down. Big drop kick into the corner.
Spins him around in a swinging neckbreaker to Nate Mattson. Frost may have it. 1, 2. Boone breaks it up. Boone with some nasty shots
Those
across
big
the
paws of his.
back. Huge chop.
The referee.
Mattson and Boone could be looking for the finish. They shoot Firoz off. Ducks the lines. Big double cross body. Firoz just grabbed his head again. I don't know if you...
He's shaken up. Every time that blood rushes to his head when he gets going, he slows down again. Up to the top.
Double drop
kick.
One of Firoz's favorite maneuvers to utilize. Grabbing it, he's
look
grabbing
at
his
him.
head again. Oh my, spit.
Joe should make that tag. There's no way he shouldn't make that tag. He doesn't know where he is. He doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't know where he is. He's clearly...
You get a doctor there. Lung blower in the Detroit drive-by. 1, 2, 3. The Sons of Michigan pick up the win, but is Joe Firoz all right?